Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. So today's recipe is a bit interesting. It's nothing but twistato, which is one of our best evening snack. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video. Let's get started. So guys, getting started with the video, you need this squilling machine which is out here to squill out the potatoes, which I have soaked for a while and I've now kept it in a plate. And I also have a few skewers out with me. So getting started with the skewer and the potato, I just poke it in the one side and get it out in the other end. Make sure the skewer doesn't break into half. Be careful. Get it to almost near the end. Now fix it with the machine. I hope people who have the machine know how to use it. People without the machine, you can try to make this with the knife. You can get the squirrels. So now just roll it. So we take it from the other end, just pull it, and this goes to the trash. So now we have squirreled them up right here. So putting it to one end, just like this, and now softly make some space between them. Expand it so it covers all over the skewer, the stick. Just softly. So you can see the squirrels around. So now I can see there's some more space. So having this space in mind, I can make some more gaps between the potato squirrels. Just like this guys, you can see how cool it is, squirreled. So now we keep it in a plate and I do the same thing for another potato. Just drop in my skewer from one end so it comes out in the other end. So guys, we repeat the same thing for our next potato. So guys, now the potato is been ready, which has been squirreled out here, and now it has been ready to put it into the batter. So now let's get started to make the batter. I have a plate kind of thing out here. So into this. So I put 2 teaspoons of corn flour, followed by 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, followed by half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Also I add roughly 2 to 3 teaspoons of water to make the batter consistent watery. Now I take a spoon. So guys, I am showing you the consistency of the batter. This is the consistency of it. So we have added 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chili powder, then followed by as much as water required to get this consistency of batter. So now I dip the potato squirrel, which we have already prepared, into the batter. So as we are preparing for less quantity, we also have less batter, so we use a spoon to put the batter into the potatoes. So guys, now the potato squirrel is being dipped into the batter and it's been spread over all the slices of potato. Meanwhile, I have also kept the oil here for deep frying our twistatos. So guys, now carefully place the dipped twistato into the oil carefully as the oil is really hot, and wait for a few minutes so it gets completely crispy. Guys, once the bubbles reduce a little bit, give it a slow turn use a tong to turn it upside down. And wait for some more time till it turns light brown and it gets crispy. So guys, now you can feel it's a bit crispy using your tongs. It's got a bit crispy. Now we remove it, almost ready and been cooked. Keep it in a plate. So guys, once we have removed it from the oil and let the oil to drain, now we top it up with some peri peri powder. I have some peri peri powder right here. So now we just tap so the peri peri powder gets stuck to it. So guys, the one I'm doing here is a peri peri flavored one. You can also try it out with different flavors like chaat masala and several others. Or you can also eat it plain because it already has some masala in it. So guys, it's ready right here. You can use some cheese on the topping, which is completely optional on your wishes. So let's check it out. So guys, see how crispy it is.